I'm going to share one indicator with you that is completely free and that gives you very easy buy and sell signals like this. And if you will follow this indicator according to my advice, I challenge that you will be going to make a lot of money, especially if you will take care of the liquidity factor. Now, just look at this indicator, how well this is performing the buy signal, sell, buy. Yes, every signal will not be accurate, but its maximum signals are with the high accuracy, and I will explain that how you are going to use this indicator in a right way. First of all, let's talk about this indicator, that what indicator is this. So for this you need to write TOKMAZ on trading view. So TOKMAZ on trading view, then this indicator will come, that is called TOKMAZ signal plane. And you can see the name of the author is TOKMAZ, and you can see that not so many traders know about it. It's completely a hidden stuff that is available for free to use on trading view. All you just is to go into the settings and uncheck these labels. And if you just look at this, that it is also using some combination of 50 EMA, 200 EMA, and then there are some buy and sell rejection signals. And but we are not going to trade all these signals. I will explain that how you can actually go with the trades. Okay, so first of all, let's see that how this is performing. So overall, when the markets are very normal, like if we talk about gold, like it was the buy signal successful, and this is the buy signal successful, sell successful, and sell successful. But we are not going to pick every signal. What we are going to do, for example, this is the resistance zone for the market. So we will not give a grass to any signal when the price is inside the resistance zone. We will always wait for the market to liquidate the retail traders, because their stop losses are available at the upper side. So for example, if the retail traders are selling from this area, their stop losses will be definitely above that particular level, and simply we will go and target this level. And once we have the sell signal after the liquidation, we can take our chance and we can simply go for our trade. Okay. So the next one that I want to talk about is, for example, if I go to the pound USD chart. Okay, now you can see that this signal is exactly from the resistance, and we will not pick that one, right? Okay, but we can pick that signal because this is coming from the after the liquidation. So simply do not pick anything that is at the spot as well. So find the liquidity, that where the liquidity is available. For example, look at this one. This is the area where there is a spot where the retail traders are actually taking their buy positions. Do not pick that signal. Okay, so let the market liquidate, and then you can see after that when there was the genuine buy signal and the price came into the upper side, and then we have the sell signal. So the liquidity is the key of the market. Let's practice the liquidity again. Okay, so first of all, one more thing, when the markets are one sided like this, then simply avoid that situation, because just look at this. This is not a one-sided market. At least the market is making peaks and bottoms, and then you can trade this way. But when there is a strong trending market, then what you can do, you can simply find any signal that is coming near the lower purple moving average, and then you can go for the buy position. Because look at this, this is the spot area. So how we can pick that signal? We cannot pick that signal because we don't want anything that is at the spot area. Now for example, let's take an example, this one. This is the sport area. This was a sport area. The price liquidated. Now we can pick that buy signal, of course. Okay. So this is the perfect indicator. If you are going to use it wisely, this is very good for trading. But you will take care of the liquidity, because liquidity is the key of the market. So for example, I'm going to repeat again. This is the sport area for the market. The price liquidated. Now this is the good one to go for the trade. Simply when you get anything above, if you want to take a chance, for example, look at this. This is the resistance. Do not take a chance above that. At least if you want to take a chance, you can. This is how the free indicator works. If you like this video, please press the like button, and if you want to get the access of my private indicator, then you can contact through Telegram or email.